Hello everyone, I am Anita, Assistant Professor at Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the topic is Advantages of Social Audit from the subject is Cost Control Techniques and Audit. Let's see, the heading is Advantages of Social Audit. What are the advantages have in this title? Let's see one by one. Social Audit provide a various framework for organization to evaluate their social impact efficiently by providing accountability and increasing operational transparency, and they ensure that financial decisions are not only aligned with the ethical standards but also reliable with the social responsibility and enhance the overall financial performance with the organization. Next we see the enhanced transparency. The social audit provides a detailed insights into an organization's operations, promoting transparency by making financial activities open to safety and security. Then the stakeholders can understand how resources are allocated and how it is used by the process in the entire departments in having in the organization. Then there is have three things. First one is detailed insights. What is have in the organization, how it is used, the proper records. Next one is resources allocated. From the raw material, how the products and the things will be separated equally and where is the problem is having, we can identify in easy way in this method. Next one is how to build the trust and the transparency to the stockholders based on the perfection of the account maintenance and the approval of the auditor, it will be used. Next, enhanced accountability through social audit. What is the accountability have in the social audits? There is have three main things. First one is social audit implementation. How we implement the account in the social audit, holding organizational accountable for imitating or the using or by communicating through the stockholders. Next one is financial decisions. Entire the previous process we compared a lot of things and we find out the best thing in the entire the process. After that we using some trick and techniques for develop our company. Next one is stakeholder assessment. It used to assess the stakeholders. The account and auditor approval copy of the company financial statement, it helps to the stakeholders to get the trust and the it is continue or we can quit, the decision will be made by the process and the proof. Next we see the risk identification with social audit. There is have a few minimal things. First one is identifying risk, second one is uncover threats, next mitigate risk, the last one is ensure sustainability. Let's see one by one. Identify the risk. How we identify the risk in the social audit? It's a potential risk in the social and environmental areas. Sometimes the open statement and the transparency will get some backfire in the organization. That is the correct one. Next one is uncover threats. The financial practices uncover areas posting some threats like a duplicate accounting statement, the inconveniency, these are all in this method. Next one is mitigate risk. The mitigate risk is nothing but measurement can be taken into mitigate identification of risk. Sometimes we will miss some correct occasion or the issues in the process. Next one is ensure sustainability. This process ensure long-term sustainability for the organization. We couldn't prevent the risk in the continuous process. We identify and we have to rectify in this short period. We won't judge the same error will be repeated in the all the years. Next we see the stakeholder enhancement. What are the stakeholder enhancement? Enhancing stakeholders through social audit, fasting individually and detailing by getting the feedback of the organization can better understanding communication needs, expectations along them with their cost audit strategies with social value from multi-depth. There is have a few things to get the feedback from the organization. These are all the main thing to assess and get the better feedback and to improve the organizational through their feedback. Now let's see the enhanced corporate image. There is have a few things. First one is social audit, second one is brand image, third one is customer attraction. The three things have taken main role of this corporate image. First one is social audit. So social audit is nothing but the transparency of the account statement to attract the stakeholders and to maintain in our company stakeholder. It will help to the stakeholder as well as to the company organizations. The second one is brand image. Yeah, this is very interesting one. The brand image helps to attract the customer and to retain the customer in the same product so long period. For the example, Horlicks is one of the most familiar product. It is surveyed in the market along of 30 to 40 years. Till the date, it surveyed in the topmost of the healthy drink in the market. There is have so many varieties. The trend will be changed, but till the market it get a good position. Next one is customer attraction. The customer attraction is based on the brand image. It attracts the customer how the ethical business policies to increase the loyalty and selling strategies. Next we see the conclusion. The entire process, the social audit have took the main position to develop the product and the organization to attract more customers and how we retain the customers in the as long the period and the generation, how to fill the generation gap and how to satisfy the customer based on the developing goods or products. These are all.